Are your library patrons finding your Learning Express e-learning content? You put a flyer next to the computer, a banner on your website, and bookmarks and posters in the library, promoting all the great Learning Express interactive content and test prep, but you still don't feel like you're reaching all the users that would benefit from Learning Express content. Help is on the way. There is now a Learning Express search results placard in EBSCO Discovery Service, EDS. Libraries with both Learning Express and EDS can request EBSCO support to install a Learning Express search placard in their EDS profile. When in use, the EDS search results will deliver Learning Express content in an easy-to-see location above any other EDS placard. Let's take a look at how easy it is for users. Patrons type their query into the EDS search box, in this example, firefighting. When the results trigger both a Learning Express placard and a Research Starter or Exact Match placard, the Learning Express placard will present users with a link to Learning Express. When the user clicks the link, they go directly to the Learning Express site where they can find a variety of content, such as tutorials, practice tests, academic preparation, ebooks, articles, flashcards, career information, and occupation certification test prep. With the new Learning Express search placard for EDS, your library users will easily discover Learning Express content beginning with their EDS search, making it so much easier for them to use the Learning Express platform. To have the Learning Express placard installed in your EDS profile, email support@ebsco.com.